Hey folks, thank you so much for stopping by this video. This is Everett. Uh, Obviously you're here right now because I said that me and Kendall made our first commission with the program Fearless Mama. Okay, you signed up for our email list, and you're here right now because you want to know if this will work for you. Um, and I'm confident in saying that, this will work for anybody that follows the instructions inside the members area of the Fearless Mama, okay? So I just want to show you, that this is our first $250 sale. It's really not the first. We changed our payment processor to PayPal because I was using authorized.net and it wasn't accepting payments. But uh, before I, start um, promoting something that uh, potentially can make people money. I like to see if the program actually works out of the box, um, like the owner suggests it does. Okay, because I know that people want a real opportunity online. They want to work from home, and it's questionable uh, when you've never been online before, or you've been burned online before. You don't know what's real and what's fake. So I like to give proof that whatever my name and Kendall's name is on, that it's legit and that you can actually make money working from home. Okay, like you can actually make money working online if you follow the directions that the course provides. Okay, so with that being said, I wanted to show you that this is real. This money just came in, and all we did was follow the directions that Tammy actually gives you. Inside the Fearless Mama program. Okay, and actually the video that you've watched before, hopefully that you watched by now, she shows you exactly what we do, and what traffic sources we use, what resource providers that we use to actually, excuse me, to actually attract people to our website. Okay, and that's all I've done. I just did exactly what she told me to do. Me and Kendall did exactly what she told us to do, and we were able to produce our first $250 sale. And if it works for me and so many other people, what you'll find that out. Like once you join the program, that so many other people are doing the same thing, and they're actually creating an income, in their spare time working from home. And the sky's the limit. You can make as many of these sales as possible, and you don't have to talk to anybody. Okay, if you don't want to, you can let the system work for yourself. I like to, like I said, I like to promote my own results so that people just can't argue with the results. Okay, so I like to show results of things actually working. Okay, so with that being said, I hope that I silence any noise in your mind that it's not possible to make money working from home. Uh, or if you thought that this was a scam, I hope to silence those voices. You're welcome here, and I put my name on it, and I stand firm that you can make money with this system. You don't have to have any tech skills or any other online knowledge. All you have to do is buy the course, learn what Tammy teaches, and apply it to your life, and you could be making $250 payments over and over and over again as soon as you decide to. Okay, it's really up to you. You have to step out on faith, and you have to believe that this can happen for you. Okay, so with that being said, if you're interested, click the link below, watch the video again as Tammy explains exactly what we do, um, and get involved, guys. I can't wait to have you on the inside. I can't wait to help you get set up, which I'm more than willing to do. My contact details are in the inside, and you can reach out to us. Even in the email, my our email address is actually right at the bottom. If you have any more questions, you can contact us if you want to. But the proof is the proof. It's real, and I hope that this blesses you and that it helps you reach the goals that you're trying to reach. Okay. So God bless you guys. Click the link below, get involved, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.